If you guys want to see how this room turned from this to this, stick around to the end. So today's scripture will be Isaiah 41:10, and it says, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand." So you guys, I woke up this morning feeling a little down, a little depressed. And for some reason, I just kept hearing in my head, "Do not be dismayed. Do not be dismayed." I couldn't get it out of my head. So it brought me to Isaiah 41:10. And I guess that was just God letting me know, that do not be dismayed, for, He will strengthen me and help me and encourage me, and His hand is up on my life. So I'm here to remind you guys that God's hand is up on your life. If you're feeling down and feeling depressed, just look at this scripture. Hopefully it encourage you and help you, just like it did me. And this really touched me, so I hope that it touches you. And I thought maybe that I would share the scripture with you guys in this video. So if y'all watched my last video, which was my Valentine's decorate with me, I had did a DIY pillow, and for some reason I'm just not feeling these pillows. You will see me put them on the bed right here, but I eventually will take them off and I will use a different pillow. You will see that at the end. But yeah, these pillows, they just were not fluffy enough. I guess I didn't put enough cotton in them, so I wasn't really feeling it. So I switched them out. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this will not stay. I'm going to give you guys an overview of what I brought and purchased. This was a lampshade and a lamp from Walmart, and I think it was 40 bucks total, or 35 bucks total. And I want to show you guys this painting that I made, and I was inspired off of YouTube. They have plenty of videos on YouTube, and I was inspired, and it's supposed to be a Z Gallery dupe inspired. I don't think I did that great, but it's cute. This comforter came from Home Goods. This came from Home Goods. This throw pillow, so cute. These pillows came from Tuesday Morning. They're very thick and fluffy. And also, you can take these pillows out and buy some pillowcases and put them on here also. I want to change them out. So that's what I like about it. Since it's Valentine's Day coming up, I got a Valentine's Day pillow from Walmart that I put on here. This is a picture that I got for on our wedding day. I've been having this for 5 years and never used it, so I got to put some pictures in there. This vase, I don't remember. Oh, I got this vase from Tuesday Morning. And I got this candle holder from Walmart. And I got these beautiful curtains from Amazon. It's kind of like a shimmery silver, but like a velvet kind of material also. Very cute. And I got this rug from Ross. I may change this rug out. I don't really care for it. It don't really match the gray that I have in here like I thought it would. So I may be changing that out. Yeah, but oh, I wanted to show you guys. I got this love sign from Walmart, and since it's Valentine's Day, and also, you know, this is me and my husband's room, I thought it'd go cute in here. It originally was white, and I spray painted it silver. And in these things, I struggled with these two walls right here. Even this wall, I struggled with finding things that I liked, because I just couldn't find nothing that I liked. So what I did was, I had these in my room before. They were black. So I took the mirrors out and spray painted it silver and just put it back up here. And this mirror, I made this mirror, like I said, from this dupe that I made. I got it off of YouTube. And this is some Dollar Tree bowls. Now, as you can see, there are different sizes because I could not find the same size to do the whole thing. So I had to make it work. It's still cute. So I got these bowls from Dollar Tree. And what I did was I glued my mirror on some foam board. Spray painted the foam board in the size of the mirror. And then you hot glue these on to the side, and you have a little DIY glam mirror. Oh, and as you get to the bottom, I had to get the little smaller one. So yeah, I won't be keeping this mirror for long, but it'll do for now. But it's cute. Yeah, so the room came out really cute. The only thing is, it's just a lot of gray going on. So I think what I'm going to do is paint the walls in here, and then that'll tone down the gray a little bit. I wanted to keep it gray and not add any permanent color, like any permanent color in the, you know, the curtains or the rug, because I want to be able to switch out like, the pillows and stuff to different colors and not be, just contained to one color. Yeah, so my camera had died, so I couldn't finish talking to y'all. But yeah, I want to show y'all a before, right before I show you guys the after. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you share this video also. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you for watching.